Hey guys, there's been some confusion on how to get the attacker program to work. So I've decided to make a quick video explaining how it works. It's really easy. I wrote some readmes of how to get this thing to work, but if that wasn't enough, I'm making a quick video to demonstrate. As you can see, I've done this on Windows, but I've also tried and did it on my Ubuntu laptop, and it should be the same thing on OS X. So the first thing you want to do, you want to start your command line, and you want to navigate to your repo. Okay, so you should have a couple of folders inside your repo if it's properly synced to Bitbucket. You should have attacker, chat program, fixed, and chat program. So we're gonna take a look inside attacker. Inside attacker, you're gonna have a couple of files, a README, attacker, and encryption. Uh, just for simplicity and ease of use, I'm gonna copy the chat program file narcanus.py into this folder to make things easier. You don't have to, but it makes stuff easier. So I'm gonna navigate to my repo. You wanna copy the Narcanus file from chat program. If you copy from chat program fix, it's not gonna work. Here we go. So copy, paste. The other thing you wanna do, you wanna edit these files. Okay, let me show you something. And under uh, Narcanus, right now, if you look here, um, the attacker program is expecting connections from the local host and on port 6666. So we gotta make sure that Narcanus is connecting to that port, right? So I'm gonna change that to 666. Okay, now it's changed to connecting to port 666. And the attacker program, it's gonna dial, right, the server on port, where is it? Uh, Here we go. So the Narcanus program, the attacker program is gonna dial the server on port A011, right? So what's gonna happen is uh, the client server is gonna dial the attacker, and the attacker server is gonna dial the attacker program is gonna dial the server, and the server is waiting for connections on port A011. Okay, so this should work. So you just save, you're good to go. The other thing you want to do, you want to start 3 CMD, 2 more um, terminals. Okay, so I'm gonna use the middle window here as my attacker. Okay, so just start the. Make sure another thing, you gotta make sure that you have Python version. Python version 2.78. Okay, if you have Python version 3, it's not gonna work. You need to have version 2.78. Okay, so we just start the attacker program. Attacker.py. What's the name? Why do I keep writing Python? Okay, so it's waiting for connection. I'm gonna start the client over here. Pick a name for the client. Just pick client. Let's say, actually pick something different. You start your server. Okay, so the server is ready to connect for connection. The client, now you want to put the IP address of the server. In this case is localhost. You can also put 127.0.0.1, which is your Ethernet uh, back uh, loop address or whatever it's called. I just like to use localhost. Okay, so that's it. As you can see over here, the negotiation with the client was successful. Negotiation with the servers was also successful. Uh, from the client and the server side, it looks like they joined the chat together. And when you start chatting, right, uh, the message gets passed to the server, and the attack program just simply prints the message on screen. See? And it says who the message from. In this case, from a chip. And it works the other way as well. See, it all just gets printed here. It's that easy. And that's it. That's how it works. And this is how you exit the program. If you have read the README. As you can see, the program is well behaved. Everybody exits together, right, when the connection is terminated. And that's how it works. It should work the same in Mac and Linux. There's one more thing I would like to show you guys, is that this file is going to get printed. Let me show you. It's under my repo. It's called chat log. It's a text file. And what this is just a log of the conversation. Okay? Has the date of the conversation, the time. Yes, it's 3:30 a.m. Now I'm doing this. Has the participants as well as their IP address, and then their conversation and who closed the connection. That's it. I'm not sure this is a bug. I don't know if I'll be able to fix it. But that's it. It works. And I hope this video helps you guys figure out, get the thing to work yourselves, and just generally learn what's going on. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll post this video on Bitbucket as well as email a link to you people. Bye bye.